Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you what I bought online. I bought it at Makro. Actually it's a pot, guys. It's a pot, a bottle. So I bought it online. I know a lot of people are scared to buy online, so you'd be asking yourself, is it reliable? Can you buy online? Yes, you can buy at Makro. They are very reliable, and yeah, so I can't wait to see the pot, how it looks like, because sometimes when you buy something online you can only see the picture. They can tell you the weight or how big it is, you know. So I just want to see how big it is, because the box, it's really huge. I'm just hoping that like it's not as huge as the box is exaggerating this part. Yeah, so let's get to it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. So guys, yeah, this is the pot. Even though it's huge, I still like it, because you know you can cook things in bulk. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I liked the pot. It's very big. I can cook things like that I can eat for days and refrigerate them. So if you liked this video and you will also be ordering from Makro online, please drop down a comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.